Draw in sequence showing the four stages, that is the process of binary fission in amoeba. As we can see in the diagram mentioned below, these are the primarily the stages of fission in amoeba. First of all, amoeba is a unicellular organism in which cell division or fission leads to the creation of new individual. Many different patterns of fission have been observed. Many bacteria and protozoa simply split into two halves during cell division. In organisms such as amoeba, the splitting of two cells division can take place in any plane. First of all, the nucleus of the amoeba divides into two parts, and then the body of the amoeba also separates into two parts, and thus we have two different amoebas. This shows the binary fission in amoeba, and this is the diagram that we can draw in order to conclude our answer.